Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan mga fire signs natin dyan? So, yeah, let's see anong love situation meron sa mga fire signs natin, right? So, tignan natin. Anong energy ng mga fire signs natin right now, Universe, Holy Spirit? Anong energy meron sa ating mga fire signs? So, we have this, Violet Angel, breaking dawn, no? So, yeah, no, for some of you, no, fire sign, no, you are this, no, parang you are ascending, no, for some of you, yeah, ito yung nakikita ko dito, no, merong awakening na nangyari, no, something like that. There is this clarity happened, no, sa mga past situation ninyo, mga fire signs, no, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, right now, yeah, no, maybe you are still confused right now, but there is this clarity na, no, sa mga nangyari, no. So, yeah, no, kumbaga, you are just confused right now, but you are being no, kumbaga ay alam mo na yung mga katotohanan behind that, no, kung whatever it is na mga pinagdaanan mo this recent past, right, no. So, yeah, ito ka, no, so may mga revelation kang nalaman, no, something like that, na nagkakaroon ka ng confusion and overthinking, no, kung ano bang mga dapat mong gawin. So, you're in a crossroad right now, something like that, dahil nag-iisip-isip ka ng mga dapat gawin, no, something like that, no, fire sign. So, let's see ano ang naging sitwasyon ng mga fire signs sa kanilang love situation, right, no. So, tignan natin. Universe, sitwasyon, love situation ng mga fire signs natin right now. So, ang daming lumabas. Wait lang. So, meron dito. You have this 5 of Wands, no? So, merong conflict, no? So, merong lumabas dito, 5 of Wands and the Lovers, no? So, nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict, no? Fire sign with your person, no, right, no, yeah, may mga pagtatalo, I think, no, so, yeah, meron kayong mga hindi pinagkakasunduan ng iyong person right now, no, with these lovers, right, no, so, yeah, meron kayong mga pagtatalo, yeah, ayan yung nakikita ko dito, and what else, no, so, may mga pagtatalo, or may naging pagtatalo, no, sa inyo ng iyong person, right? So, what else, please, Universe, for fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag, please. So, ano yan? So, hindi ko alam kung ganito to, no? Siguro ganyan na lang. So, yeah, no, we have this, kung pwedeng ganun din, pwedeng ganyan, no? So, kasi ganyan siya, 50-50 siya lumabas. So, you have this 3 of Swords, no? For you, ang fire sign, no? So, I think, kung ano man yung mga pinagtalunan nyo ng person mo is, yeah, ay sobrang mabigat to, no? Dahil may mga, both of you, I think, kaya 50-50 is, both of you ay nasaktan with that, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, no, parehas talaga kayong nasasaktan dito ng iyong person, no, sa sitwasyon na ito, no. So, what else, please, Universe, for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, you have this, the Hangman in reverse, and the Chariot in reverse, no. So, yeah, no, for some of you, fire sign, merong delays sa traveling, no, sa travel, no, may mga hindi natutuloy or may hindi matutuloy, something like that, no, because with the Hangman in reverse, no, so kaya dahil may kailangan pa kayong i-fix, no, something like that, no, so kaya parang hindi kayo makausad-usad, no, something like that, no, parang may kailangan kayong i-fix, no, mga fire sign. So, tingnan pa natin what else, please, for the fire sign, So, you have this, di ba? Knight of Pentacles in reverse again, no? So, yeah, talagang meron kayong mga bagay-bagay na parang hindi nyo maiwanan, no? Something like that to mga fire sign, no? Parang may mga sitwasyon or bagay kayong kailangan kasi dapat ay i-resolve, no? Something like that, no? So, kailangan itong isolve, no? Something like that, no? So, what else is for the fire signs? So, you have this, the Emperor in reverse. So, meron ditong very controlling na tao, no? Right? So, ang dami nang lumabas. Hindi natin kukunin. So, yeah, meron dito. Isa sa inyo, fire sign ng iyong person ay controlling, no? Something like that na parang napaka immature na tao, no? Something like that with the Emperor in reverse, no? So, siguro ito yung kaya lagi kayo nagkakagulo, no? Kaya lagi kayong may conflict ng iyong person because one of you ay immature, no? So, hindi kayo nagkakasundo, no? Something like that. And parang ang mga problem ay hindi nyo sinosolve, no? Yeah, something like that, no? Parang iniiwan nyo lang sa ere, no? No, with the Hangman in reverse, no? Parang hinahayaan nyo lang siya, yung mga problema na hindi is iresolba, no? Because one of you is immature, no? Something like that, no? So, tingnan pa natin what else, please, universe, please, for the fire sign sa kanilang love situation, di ba? You have this, the Tower in reverse, no? So, may pagre-resist dito ng pagbabago, no? There is maybe this Emperor in reverse, no? Is resisting to change, no? Something like that, no? With the Emperor, no? Or pinipigilan niya yung pagbabago, no? Or yeah, tignan pa natin what's the Tower in reverse, please. Universe, clarify. Wait lang. Clarify, please, the Tower in reverse, no? For the fire sign sa kanilang love situation, please, universe, clarify the Tower in reverse, please. What's the Tower in reverse? So, isa lang po. So, strength, no? You have this strength. So, yan, no? Kumbaga, maybe this Emperor in reverse ay with all his strength, no? Right? No? Kumbaga, ginagamitan niya ng kamay na bakal, no? Something like that. Para walang umalis with the Tower in reverse, no? Kasi ito ay pagpabago, changes to, si universe to, no? Kumbaga parang or because may nangyari but then parang gusto ulit buuin, no? With the strength, no? Yeah, something happened but then parang with the strength nire-resist niya, no? Something like that, no? Parang ina-avoid yung pangyayari na ito, no? Something like that, no? Kahit nandyan na, pero with the strength, with all his strength, no? With this Emperor in reverse, no? Ginagamit niya yung lahat ng, kumbaga, sabi nating power niya na para mapagtakpan, no? Something like that. Kasi ito na parang lumalabas-labas na lahat, but then, pinipilit pa rin wag, no? Parang gano'n, no? Something like that, no? So, what else, please? Para sa fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, wait lang. So, you have this, the Magician. Yeah, the Magician. So, wait lang. And, Knight of Wands, no? So, wait lang. With the Magician and Knight of Wands, no? Kung saan na lang kayo makaka-relate, no, fire sign, medyo complicated ang inyong no, right? No? So, with the Magician and Knight of Wands, this is someone naman na who is ready to take action, no? Someone na wants to pursue, no? So, yeah, merong pagkilos dito, no? I don't know who is this, no? So, let's clarify who is this the magician and knight of wands, please, universe, no? So, wait lang. Clarify this, the magician with the knight of wands, please, universe. Ano po ito? So, ano yan? So, nine of wands in reverse. No? Meron ditong tao, no? Mga fire sign ng ang wants to take an action, no? But then, on hold, no? Something like that, no? Nag-iisip siya to take action, manifesting something, and then, taking ang action but still on hold, no? Something like that, no? So, parang naka-post siya ngayon, but then, this person is manifesting something, no? Parang may mina-manifest siya, no? I don't know kung ano ito, no? So, what else, please, no? Yeah, there is someone manifesting, no? Wait lang. So, what else? So, the star, no? So, yan, no? Yan, no? You are manifesting, no? Because this is you, no? The star, no? A fire sign, no? So, someone is manifesting you because you are the star. 'Di ba? Bukod dito sa Emperor in reverse, there is this the magician who wants to pursue you, no? So, something like, so there are two people, no? Something like that, no? So, because you are this star, that's why this emperor in reverse is resisting, not because ayaw niyang makawala ka, no? So, he's using all his strength, no? Para i-control ka, not to go somewhere else, no? And then, there is this magician who is ready to pursue, no? But then, right now, he is on hold, no? But then, thinking to pursue, no? Towards you, no? Fire sign. Because you are his or her star, no? Ikaw yung kanyang wish, no? Wish fulfillment, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, what else, please, for the fire sign? So, yeah, you have this temperance, no? So, yeah, that person who is this magician is being patient lang, no? Patiently waiting, no? Something like that, no? So, it's confirmed there are two people, no? No, 'di ba? Kaya siguro you have this five of wands from the start is merong conflict talaga rito because you are dealing with two people, no? Something like that, no? Fire sign, no? So, yeah. So, someone is patiently waiting while the other one is resisting for you to let go. Go out. Let go of that relationship with the emperor in reverse, no? So, yeah. So, tignan pa natin what else for you, what else for you, fire sign. Tignan pa natin. Ano pang meron? Please, universe, sa sitwasyon ng mga fire signs natin, right? No? Ano pa pong meron sa love situation ng mga fire sign, no? You have this 9 of cups, no? So, really, this is no? A wish fulfillment, no? For some of you, no? Maybe that magician, no? Ikaw talaga yung wish fulfillment ng person na ito because you are the star, right? So, what else, please, for the fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag, please, universe. What else for their love situation, please? What else? No? Ano pa pong meron? So, you have this Four of Cups in reverse, no? So, yan, no? Fire signs, no? So, you are just waiting, no? You too is waiting then, no, for this magician to return, no, or to come towards you, no, parang hinihintay mo rin to, no. That's why you are just being no, staying in this kind of relationship with the emperor in reverse even though na masakit na para sa iyo, no. Still you are staying, no, something like that, no, because you are waiting also patiently with this magician, no? na gustong mag-pursue, no? Something like that, no? So, what else, please, for the fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. So, you have this Ace of Pentacles in reverse, no? So, yan, no? So, parang you are taking a risk, no? Whatever it is, no? Parang you are ready to take the risk, no? Parang ganun, no? Whatever, no? Parang basta makaalis ka na, something like that, you will take the risk, no? Something like that. So, what else, please? Because, di ba, you want this happy family, no? So, you want to build a happy family with someone else, no? Because, with this Emperor in reverse, wala ka nang nakikitang kasiyahan, no? Something like that, no? So, you are this, no, waiting for the magician, no, whoever it is, to come towards you, no. Hinihintay mo siya because for you, ito na yung fulfill ng iyong dreams also, ang iyong happiness to build a happy family, no. Whatever it is, you are willing to take the risk, no, mga fire signs. So, just take what's resonate for you, right, no. So, what else, please? For the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? So, you have this, no? So, nakaganon yan. You have this Four of Swords, no? So, you are in a healing process right now, maybe. That's why you are staying, no? But then you are healing yourself, no? While waiting, no? So, what else, please, for the fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag, please. What else for the fire signs, please? For their love situation, please. So, you have this Eight of Swords in reverse, di ba? Really, you are ready to take the action, whatever it is, no? Wala ka nang pakialam, you are ready to take the risk, no? Something na, taking the leap of faith, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. So, one more. Diba? You have this Ace of Wands, no? There is this eagerness, no? Talaga, no? To take the action, no? Because gusto mo nang makawala sa isang sitwasyon na alam mong masakit na para sa iyo, no? Fire sign. So, again, take what's resonate, no? So, yan, no? Kumbaga, parang someone who is with a distance from you is both of you have this understanding, no, parang parehas kayo ng naiisip, no, both of you are the wish fulfillment of each other, no, right? So parang naghihintayan lang kayo patiently, no, but then both of you ay may iisang goal to have this happy family, right? No, so medyo complicated lang right now, no? So, kung sino man tong nasa isang relasyon na hindi na maganda, no? So, yeah, may isang sitwasyon dito na relasyon na gusto nang umalis because hindi na maganda ang pagsasamahan, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. So, tignan naman natin ano pa yung pwedeng mga messages for you, fire sign, regarding your situation right now. So, let's see, no? Let's see what else, no, for the fire sign situation ng mga fire signs natin, right? So, you have Gemini, no, lovers, soulmate, no, 'di ba, no? Because meron tayong lovers dito, maybe you are dealing with a Gemini din, no, a fire sign, no? So, yeah. Tignan pa natin what else for the fire signs, no? What else for the fire sign? So, ideas, creation, starting new, no? So, maybe, right now, you are in a healing process, and with this Ace of Wands, no, you are starting anew, no? So, meron kang mga sinisimulan, maybe, sa career mo, no? So, dito ka muna nagpo-focus right now, no? A fire sign, right? No? While patiently waiting for the right person for you, right? No? So, what else? Parang di mo na lang iniintindi kahit mabigat na sa yung sitwasyon, no? So, what else? Aquarius, no? Emotional to attach, no? So, yan, no? Maybe you are dealing with an air sign talaga, no? Fire sign, no? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or maybe ikaw rin ito, no? So, meron kang placement somewhere, no? Na ganito, no? Sa iyong chart, no? But then, you are too emotional daw and too attached sa mga bagay-bagay, no? So, maybe, i-distant mo rin yung sarili mo. Make a healthy boundaries para hindi ka masyadong nasasaktan sa mga sitwasyon, no, mga fire sign, no? So, wag kayong masyadong attached, no, sa mga bagay-bagay. So, what else? Wish come true, 'di ba? Happiness, commitment, 'di ba? Tama, 'di ba? Some in the future, no, magiging makukuha mo rin yung gusto mong pangarap mo sa buhay, to have this happy family, right? Family with the person that you are waiting, right? Patiently waiting. So, one more card for the fire sign, please, universe. One more card. So, you have this celebrate, 'di ba? 'Di ba, no, celebration, marriage, committed, no? So, meron talaga rito. So, in the future, no, so talagang magtiyaga lang kayo, no? Konting tiis lang, ayusin niyo yung dapat i-fix, no? Sa kanya-kanya yung mga buhay, fire sign, and soon there will be a celebration, marriage, no? Kung ano yung talagang pinapangarap nyo both ng person mo ay matutupad, no? So, makakalaya kayo pare-pareha sa mga pain na nararanasan nyo right now. Kaya, magtiis lang kayo, no? Because I think you are too destined to be together, right? No? So, there is really a right time for you, both of you, right? No? So, yeah. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice from the universe, no, for you, fire sign, no. Let's get one card here. Message or advice for you, fire sign from universe, please. Message or advice for the fire signs natin, Aries, Leo, Sag, please. What's the message or advice from you, universe, please? Message or advice from you, universe, please. So, ano yan? So, you have this, the three fates, no? So, ano to? Basahin ko lang. What comes around, no? So, yan, no? Meron dito, no? Parang sinasabi dito, ang sinasabi sa'yo, message sa'yo ni universe is, fire sign, everything is fated, no? So, kung ano yung mga dumadating, mga pagbabago is just accept, no, because it is fated to happen, no, something like that, no, and para yun sa ikabubuti ninyong lahat, no, something like that. Kaya what comes around, no, so kung ano man yung mga dumating ay kailangan yung dumating at kailangan yung pagdaanan nyo ng iyong person, right? No, so yeah. So, kumbaga, this is all fated, no? So, this is all destined to happen, no? Ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo, kaya wag ka nang ma-confuse, right? No, mga fire sign natin. Tanggapin natin yung pagbabago, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. So, wag nating i-resist, no? Something like that. So, yeah. That's it for you, fire sign. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa ating reading today, no? So, yeah. God bless you all, fire sign, and thank you for watching, fire signs.